Hi there, are you struggling with bloating, low energy, or stubborn belly fat? Today, I am sharing a powerful natural detox juice made with pineapple, cucumber, lemon, parsley, cilantro, and ginger. A combination that helps cleanse your system, burns fat, and improves digestion. Stay with me because this simple recipe might become your daily wellness habit. The ingredients you have some cucumber, the fresh pineapples for sweetness and digestion support, and some 6 hydrating cucumber, 8 lemons, and a handful of parsley and fresh cilantro to support this weight loss journey, and some ginger and some lemon. So start by washing all the ingredients thoroughly. Peel and chop the pineapples into small pieces that fit into your blender or your juicer, whatever you're using to juice. Slice your cucumber and lemons according to how your blender or juicer looks like. There's no need to peel the lemon if you prefer stronger detox benefits, because the peels from the lemon are very powerful has powerful detox benefits. Then add your parsley and cilantro and ginger as preferred. If you have gastritis and you have ulcer, please keep out the lemon because that will be more disastrous to your health. Now transfer everything into your juicer, blend until smooth and refreshing. The color alone tells you how nutritious
Before
this
we
juice
dive into the health benefits of all the ingredients you are seeing on your screen, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, like and comment down below. Which of these ingredients is your favorite? Mine is pineapple. What is yours? So now the health benefits include, we start with the pineapple. Pineapple is high in bromelain for digestion, reduces inflammation, boosts metabolism, supports immunity and gut health. While cucumber deeply hydrates and flushes out toxins, reduces bloating and helps with appetite control. And also lemon is rich in vitamin C, boosts liver detox and alkalizes the body, enhance fat burning and digestion. While we have parsley supports kidney cleansing and reduces water retention, and also helps it is packed with antioxidants and is great for detox and weight loss. While on the other hand, cilantro or coriander leaves helps to remove heavy metals from the body, supports gut health, reduces inflammation as well, and is a powerful natural detoxifier. And ginger, on the other hand, speeds up metabolism, reduces bloating and gas, and improves digestion, helps burn belly fat naturally. So, upon all the health benefits, will you be trying this particular recipe? Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe and like and share my videos. Drop a comment and I will be there to respond. Which of these is your favorite ingredients? Have you been fighting with weight loss? Are you struggling? So after chopping all the ingredients according to how my juicer looks like, it may not be the same with you. You may have a different juicer that looks different, so you chop the ingredients according to how it will fit. So this is how I did mine, and so should you as well. So the first juicing, I started with the pineapple and with the ginger, because ginger is a little bit harder to blend on its own. So I advise that when blending or juicing the ginger, you just add it with something softer like the pineapple or with the lemon, so that it would give your juicer blade to pick it up and juice it better. And at this point, this was chaotic. I did not see that coming. I was just focused on the juicing and I didn't realize how the cup was already full. So after juicing everything, this is the goodness. The color tells you everything. The goodness, the health benefits of this juice is out of this world. And this is the first time I'm doing just this combination of this particular juice. I've done a lot of juices in my channel. Do well to go back and check these juices. I have done a lot and lots of juices on my channel geared towards weight loss and hormone balance. If you're someone who is fighting with hormonal imbalances, fighting with fibroids, then this channel is for you. If you have such situation, please comment down below. I might have a remedy for you. I'm not a traditionalist, I'm not a medicinal doctor or something, but I may have some knowledge that will help you in your health journey. So, watching this video up to this point, bestie, please do well to like, comment, and share my video. So friends, if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more easy weight loss and wellness recipes like this one you have found. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. I hope this is an encourager that you should wake up from that bed and start your weight loss journey. This winter shouldn't stop you. And most amazingly, during the winter season like this, many people get dehydrated, and your skin, you have to take care of your skin. And this is one of the ways that I have been able to use to get myself hydrated, because drinking normal water is like pouring ice on my body on a normal note. But when I have fresh juices ready to pick up like this and drink from these containers, it makes my life very easy. And so should you as well. You should do the same. You may not do the same as me, but it is something that has been working for me, and it's working really good for me. And it keeps me hydrated during this winter season, because the cracks on your lips, the cracks on your body tells you that your body is suffering and needs replenishment. And this is the best way. It needs that replenishment. It needs to replace the water and hydrate your body properly, and for your skin to glow and live a healthy, balanced life. Look at how this looks. Look at how this looks. When this is placed on the shelves, you pay a lot of money to get it. And thanks for watching for up to this moment. See you in my next video. Bye.